Quicker than the tow trucks today.
Ladies and gentlemen, we try to grow and improve every year. We really appreciate you all coming out. We got a lot of people that pitch in to help this. I don't know if you know this, but the mayor is pouring beers in the beer tent. There's libations available for everybody.
Who doesn't love a libation?
We fly the big.
All sorts of great tents and stuff for you to enjoy. We got some stuff going on for the kids. I heard they're going to do a little cornhole competition later on today. They're looking to put that together.
There's some slow and low rock and ride to be had as well.
I might have partaken last night myself. A little bit of the VIP action was going on, right, hon?
If you like a boozy treat, look for some slow and low.
Give you a good night's sleep. Better than NyQuil.
Give a round of applause to all the drivers on the return, folks. But it takes a lot of work. These guys work on these cars all year round. Put together just for the race. They take them home, they take them all apart, get the sand out of them, swap them around, build a new one for the next year. Always fun here at the Race of Gentlemen, folks.